What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be helping my cousin put his greddy exhaust. See right here, we can get in the camera. Right there. Took it off, put the stock exhaust back on, but we're gonna put it back. So let's get started. So it's gonna be the cold start without the exhaust. Let me go turn it on real quick. So to start off, we don't have to lift up the car. Just get under right here. First thing we're gonna do is take off the bolts from the flanges. And then what we have to do next is put WD-40 on the hangers. Where are they at? Should be over here, these hangers. There's two right here and then two on top. And that's all you gotta do, and they'll come off. So the tools we're using is this big bar right here to hold one of the sides, and then use this one to loosen it out, and then WD-40 for so the hangers can come out easier. Alright, so we're just gonna loosen this one out right here. We're holding this one right now. There's one of them. Washer. The other one's up here. I think I got it. Did I? Yeah, I got it. Don't lose the parts. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna lube up these hangers right here with some WD-40. So. Top one. And there is one over here. Put some right here. And now we're gonna take them off right now. Alright, so what we did to take off the hangers, we were just shaking it back and forth. Like for this one, we're moving it towards the right. Take this hanger off. He was taking it off right here, and I was pulling towards that way. And then same thing for that side. You just pull left to take that one out, and it'll just come out like nothing. So now we're taking out the hangers from the old exhaust and we're gonna put them to the new one. So what's recommended to do is get new gaskets for the exhaust, but for now we're just gonna use the old gaskets because the old gaskets are still good. This is the old gasket right here, it's still good. We're gonna put it to the new exhaust flange. This is what a bad gasket looks like right here. Look at this. This was on the greddy exhaust, so we're gonna put the stock one to the new one. So the previous owner put silicone on the flange right here, so we're just cleaning it off with the blade, just so we could have a nice seal, so we could have a nice surface to put on the other gasket. Alright, let's see how it sounds without the exhaust. Turn it on real quick. No exhaust. So now what we did is we put the hangers back on, put the rubber pieces. You put the gasket already, right?
Yeah.
We put the gasket, you can see it right there. Put some silicone, and now we're gonna put it back on. Alright, so the exhaust is on now. Now let's see how it sounds with the new exhaust. As well. That's a deeper tone to it than the stock exhaust. Turn it on. So we're gonna go test it out right now. Let's go see how it sounds when you drive it. Okay, so as I'm editing this, I came to the end and I forgot to make an outro, but soon we're gonna make another video for the FRS, for my cousin's FRS. He still has some headers that he wants to put on. That's gonna be probably the end of the FRS videos. I'm not sure yet though, but yeah, we're having that coming up next. That's all I wanted to say. All right, later.